Hi Divan Souls, welcome to Spiritual Swarnatri YouTube channel. This is Swarna here, welcoming you on my YouTube channel on spirituality and healing. I am into this profession of healing since last 6 years. I am an energy healer, and I believe that the healing has to happen in all the three levels of body, mind and soul. So I have been taking clients healing sessions, and I have been taking meditation, teaching meditation to twin flames, and also chakra meditation classes and Reiki classes. Okay, so today topic is on symptoms of awakened twin. This was asked by a twin flame in my mail, but I was busy making other videos, so I couldn't immediately make, but I just thought I'll start doing it today. And there are some symptoms which I have actually more than, I think, 15 symptoms which I have actually observed in awakened twins. So probably this will help you to understand who are the awakened twins, and this is also related to spiritual people. So even spiritual people react in the same way, because it's a spiritual journey. Twin flame is a spiritual journey, so it's nothing different, but little it is different in terms of the pain and circumstances, situations we undergo to cross over. So these are the symptoms. So let's get started. First symptom which I wanted to say is a neutrality. So what happens when you become neutral? When you're neutral, you don't hold any dual mindset, duality in your mind. So there is nothing called good, nothing called bad in your opinion. So what happens is the awakened person doesn't see any situation as a good or bad. The classification of any experience or people doesn't fall into duality. Okay, they all see it as a divine timing and divine acceptance of the situation which is happening. Okay, so you will see that thing. And second thing is emotions are very balanced. So if they have issues with anger, lust, or kind of a lower chakra issues, say they overcome that, and they'll be in 100% awareness of the anger and lust. Okay, it's being in a 3D reality, being in this physical body, it's very difficult to always say that we have overcome all the lower chakra emotions. It happens at very later stages when you're in an awakened state completely, that you know your anger, and you know all the negative emotions which are related to that, Kam, Krodh, Moh, Lobha, Ahankara. So when that coming to that state is at very later state, but initially you will be understanding when you are actually influenced by these emotions. So to an extent you will be balanced in seeing these issues in your life, and you know how to handle it. Okay, so the awakened person will be able to balance the emotions. Okay, when they are awakened, they'll know that there is a soul mission, there is an objective, there is a life purpose why they have come. They'll be able to explore to that, they'll be walking towards it. Okay, and their thoughts and actions, everything will be in alignment with that. In awakened twins also there are chances of Kundalini awakening. Kundalini awakening doesn't happen with everybody. Okay, spiritual awakening is different and Kundalini awakening is different. I'll make a video on that. But spiritual awakening is happening because of the soul shocks, but Kundalini awakening may or may not happen in some people. The symptoms may or may not be seen in some people. Okay, support to each other. So what is happening in twins is, when they are aware their awakening is happening, they start supporting the other counterpart in their life mission. So they work hand on hand to help the humanity with their soul mission and life mission. Generally it is a humanitarian work, it's a social work which they'll be doing it, and they support each other in their decisions. Okay, and ego vanishes. Ego vanishes in the sense, it doesn't die 100%. Without an ego, a person cannot survive in third dimensional reality. So it is not 100% vanishing, but a major cleansing will happen, and ego death will happen. If you have not seen my ego death video, please go and watch that video. You will get to know what is ego, and how we build ourselves with the false images, and how it starts falling apart. Okay, and when I said that lower emotions, especially lust, which is the more dominating in nature, because when we say, wherever we see in the scriptures, or the more emphasis is given to the sexual energy, because as a human beings, our body is made by the divine in such a way that the whole pranic energy is in our lower chakra of root and sacral chakra, which is the sexual energy. So it's very difficult to handle this energy. But when an awakened twin or a spiritual person is actually moving towards awakening or move towards the awakened state, they have 100% control over their lust. Okay, so because the energy is actually flowing from the lower chakra to the higher chakra, so they have 100% more control. Rather than saying 100%, they have more control towards their lust issues. Okay, they'll find a spiritual oneness with everything around, everybody. They connect it at spiritual level. Okay, and they see this oneness with everybody, every soul, every nature's every aspect. They are finding it, this oneness. Okay, telepathically they'll be able to talk with the people. And this happens when also the Kundalini awakening happens, the third eye chakra opens, and telepathically they'll be able to send messages and receive messages, because their awareness level is so high that they can sense, and their intuition will actually guide them to send and receive messages. Okay, it's just like Wi-Fi. Okay, two-way communication will start happening. Craving for external things will stop. Like if the awakened twin is there or a special person is there, they'll stop craving for power, social power, or money, or any status or something like that. So material things, possessions which are there, that stops influencing their likes. So they are in such a awakened state that they are able to actually sense what are the things they are supposed to actually let go easily, and they are winning over their this kind of weaknesses or attachments. Okay, they are very peaceful. They become very peaceful. They are in that peace state always. Most of the time they are at that peace state. Okay, you can observe that when the person is awakened, the societal belief systems, the false belief systems start fading, and they stop believing in those false systems of this thing. So lot of their belief systems will change. If you are closely observing a person, if they are going to the spiritual journey and they have actually gone in deep into that, their belief systems will differ from the societal generic belief systems. The societal belief systems are made to control you, control your energy, because you are an infinite being. So these belief systems will start stopping you from spiritually growing. So what happens is you start understanding this illusionary belief system, the illusionary system, everything, and you start going beyond that. Okay, you become fearless and you start thinking from the unlimited point of view. Okay, they start respecting the divine feminine. What happens is, or divine masculine, because generally it is observed that divine masculine keeps running away from the divine feminine because of unawakened state. But when this awakening happens, they start admiring the other person. They start admiring everything in the nature. Okay, and they start respecting everything. Even they respect the karmic connections, because if the karmic connections did not exist, it is very difficult to learn the lessons, right? So they start seeing and sensing and sending that good energy to the karmics, also saying that they will be thanking karmics that they have actually helped them to realize their true self. Okay, so this is what they start getting to know. They start paying gratitude to the universe and everybody who has come in their life till now in their journey. So it happens to everything. Okay, they become next is they become very spiritual, more spiritual. Okay, and they are more in tune with their spiritual sadhana, whatever meditation, so chakra meditation, whatever twin flame thing related they are doing it, they'll be very much in track. Okay, they'll be regularly doing it. Okay, and they fall in love with their practice. Okay, and another thing is that they start living in now. If the awakened twin is there, the duality will go away. So they'll neither be in the past or in the present. They start living in now, present reality. And any regrets, any pains or any fears which they have, they start healing themselves and letting go of that kind of a pain and suffering. Okay, so these were some symptoms which I found out in awakened people. And the more they are awakened, the more operating from the divine perspective, and their all worldly interest will be withdrawn. They'll be having least interest in the worldly desires, and they'll be, and one more thing you can observe is that they're more silent in nature. They are more listening in nature. Okay, they'll become more listening than to speak out. Okay, they love to be in that silence also. So these are the only few things which I have jotted down. Probably there are many more, so in case in future if I document them, definitely I'll share it in the YouTube channel. So hope these were the symptoms of awakened twin or spiritual people. You liked it, and please share it with your friends and spiritual people. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Welcome.